car of Jagannath moved again the other day. Jagannath, the Lord of the universe, is installed in a decorated chariot. There are separate routes for Brother Balaram and Sister Subhadra. In the temple at Puri, there is no caste or creed. Under the great beatitude, all men are alike, of the same origin and the same ultimate destination. All is set for the big ceremony. With broom in hand, the Raja of Puri comes to sweep the chariot. It is a royal homage to the divine overlord. The wheels of the three cars are set in motion, symbolic of the transcendent majesty of the divine will.